Samuel David. I'm in the A2 Curry restaurant in Cheetah Garden 3. So today I just make a vlog YouTube interview a master trainer for healthy. How do you get weight your fat and reduce your fat and gain your muscle. So but I'm still in editing, so you can subscribe my channel Bhinneka Tunggal Ika Indonesia. So my YouTube is motivation, is culinary, traveling, and then motivation and healthy lifestyle. Before my job is English and Mandarin travel guide. I work in Bali, Jakarta, and Papua. But now, because of COVID-19, so the impact of our business to my company, so everybody stay at home. So I have an idea to make a YouTube, so I give bring some impact to the world, positive lifestyle, mindset. Yeah. So I hope everybody can join this and support my subscribe my channel. So you can my Instagram, you can follow my Instagram. Selamat jumpa.
Hi.
We talk in two languages, Indonesia and
English,
because we have two audience, international audience and local Indonesian people. Today, I want to introduce my friend. He is a personal trainer. Can you introduce yourself, your name, and what's your experience?
Hi Sam, my name is Joe Pohanfu, or you can call me JP.
Yes.
And I'm a personal trainer since 2012. Jadi nama saya Joe Pohanfu, ya biasa dipanggil JP. Saya juga seorang personal trainer sejak tahun 2012.
Okay. So I want to ask you, what is your experience to train people? What is your package? Gain loss, weight loss, or gain muscle, or what?
Why don't we start with my background so that people will know? Okay, I got my certificate since 2012 when I attend the Rai Institute from Aderai.
Yes.
In August 2012. Saya dapat menjadi personal trainer setelah mendapat sertifikasi dari Rai Institute dari Bri Aderai bulan Agustus 2012. Setelah itu, after that, I also from Bri Aderai reference. In 2013, I also I took workshop from Dr. Mark Slavin. It's called RTS, Resistance Training Specialist. It is learning how to train better with our anatomy, biologists.
Yes.
So 2013, 2014, and 2015, I took those workshops from beginner to advanced. Atas referensi dari Rai Institute, saya juga mengambil sertifikat mengambil workshop Dr. Mark Slavin, yaitu RTS, yaitu Resistant Training Specialist di tahun 2013, 2014, 2015, dari beginner sampai advance. Itu mempelajari tentang bagaimana kita bisa berlatih beban sesuai dengan anatomi tubuh kita. Nah, sejak itu saya bisa melatih orang lebih efektif, lebih disesuaikan dengan tinggi badan tubuh, panjang tulang, gerakan fleksibilitas otot sendi mereka dan otot mereka.
So I want to ask you how to lost our fat. It's different, right?
Fat,
Fat and
weight loss.
is
Yeah.
different. Bagaimana menghilangkan lemak dan menghilangkan berat badan itu ada perbedaan. Mungkin
So
your
the
name is Mr. Pohan, right?
yes, you can call me JP or Joe.
JP.
Yeah, Joe bisa JP.
JP aja.
Yeah. So since 2015, I started to teach people about fat loss and weight loss. And because I took a nutritionist as a nutritionist specialist, I took the certificate for nutrition in sport nutrition in 2014, I think, 2014. And I started to taught people about how lost their weight at first. But then I realized that losing weight is not a best solution. Jadi aku mulai mengambil sertifikat nutrisi, sport nutrisi atau nutrisi olahraga di tahun 2014. Dan dari sejak itu tahun 2015 saya mulai mengedukasi, mengajar teman-teman fitness mania bagaimana menurunkan berat badan pada awalnya. Tetapi setelah itu saya baru sadar bahwa ternyata menurunkan berat badan itu bukan solusi yang terbaik. Ya. Why is that? It's not a best solution because when you lose your weight, you are losing your metabolism. You are reducing your metabolism. As your metabolism is how much your body burn the calorie. Okay. People doesn't realize that because they thought by losing 10 kilograms, then they losing 10 kilograms of fat, but it's not. Losing weight doesn't equal to losing fat.
Jadi Master ini bilang kehilangan berat badan dan kehilangan lemak itu ada perbedaan. Jadi mempengaruhi metabolis tubuh kita. Ya.
Jadi metabolisme kita adalah seberapa banyak tubuh kita membakar kalori setiap hari. Arti metabolisme itu sendiri adalah pembakaran kalori sebenarnya. Dan there's a balanced energy in our body is calorie out and calorie in. Okay. And calorie in means what nutrition you take every day. And then calorie out divided by 3, basal calorie, and then thermogenic, and then the last one is activity. So basal calorie is calorie basal, is your basic calorie of your body when you breathe, when your heart pumping, when your brain working, when your lungs start to contract and relax, and then when your livers work as a factory to produce enzyme, produce hormones, or produce fat. So that's basal calorie, means you cannot control your basal calorie at all. Ya, kalori basal adalah kalori dasar yang dikeluarkan oleh tubuh setiap hari dan tidak bisa dikontrol atau tidak bisa dikendalikan. Tidak bisa, karena itu adalah bagaimana saat jantung kita bekerja, terpompa, paru-paru kita bisa kontraksi, bisa relaks, otak kita bekerja, kemudian liver kita bekerja sebagai pabrik, darah kita mengalir, itu semua adalah kalori dasar. Kita nggak bisa mengontrolnya. And then the second one is a thermogenic calorie. Thermogenic is the reaction of your body when the food to convert your food to become energy. So to digest your food. Okay. And then the last one is activity calorie. Activity calorie is when you walk, when you stand up, when you're running, when you are exercise. It's all the activity calorie. When you are working also. So kalori termogenik adalah kalori yang dikeluarkan oleh tubuh saat makanan masuk dan mencerna makanan tersebut.
Jadi energi ya.
Iya,
Terus energi
jadi kalori pencernaan sebenarnya.
Convert ke olahraga jalan kaki.
Bisa
aktivitas.
atau disimpan sebagai lemak. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah kalori aktivitas. Kalori aktivitas adalah kalori sewaktu kamu berjalan, berdiri, bangun dari tempat tidur atau duduk, bahkan bekerja dan latihan atau berolahraga.
Okay. Thank you.
Oke. Jadi